What's up guys, it's Brandon here from BlazeTech. In today's video we're going to be going over the new iOS 14 beta 3, came out for me today, and we're going to check this stuff out, see what I like, see what I don't like. I've been playing around with it for the past 2-3 hours, so this is what I found, this is what I personally use and like. So other than that, here we go. If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe to BlazeTech as well as tap the notification bell and leave a like. Also check out my socials. I have Twitter, Instagram and Twitch. I stream Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 9:30 AM Australian Central Standard Time. Other than that, let's get in the video and we'll go through what I use. I just want to say this won't be a super in-depth video because I'm not gonna go through stuff I don't really care about, but what I'm gonna go through is just some stuff I've noticed, and like I said, it's not a super in-depth thing. But first of all, I just want to show you that there's a dedicated app section. So you got all your apps and it's all categorized, and if you scroll all the way to the top and you see all your apps, and if you want to like drag it to your home screen, you just say I want clock, and you can put it wherever you want on the home screen. So I'm not going to use that, so I'm going to hit the minus button up top. Actually, now I'll just do it this way. I'll do remove app, and now you got multiple options. You got either delete app or remove from home screen. So I'll remove from home screen. Or I downloaded a dating app because I don't use it, but for example purposes I'm going to use it. Get out of my way app. Okay, I was not getting out of my way. Alright, so what I meant is this. So if you tap and hold and say remove app, you get two options. You get three options. You get remove from home screen or delete the app. Now delete the app, because I don't use it, because I have a girlfriend. So that's how you delete it. So what is also here are widgets, which is these. So you may or may not have these, so this is how you access them. So you just want to tap and hold, and it'll come up like this. And if you want to add a home screen, this is all my screens currently, but if you want to add a home screen, you'd swipe to the right, then you'd have all this. And you can add whatever you want. So to add a widget, for this example, it's going to be like a widget page. I click on the tap icon, and you can see all these different styles of widgets, and there are some dedicated widgets, for example battery, calendar, files, fitness. Now the main one I use is the smart stack, which is, I'll show you, which is this. For some reason that's coming up blank. Okay, now we know why. Alright, so this is the smart stack. I have edited it a little bit. I removed the reminders section because on one section I have reminders and notes here. So people owe me money and people owe me money. So you got that. So I combined the notes and the reminders. So if you want to do that, for example, we're gonna come back, make a whole new screen. This is how I did it. So let's say you want just reminders and notes. So we come down here, go to notes, tap on that. Now you have three sizes: small size, big size, and gigantic size, and puny size. So I'm just gonna go with this one, and once you've done that, just say add widget, start focusing, add widget, and there's a widget there. So let's go back, let's find reminders, reminders, and I'll just stick with that one. Click on this, add widget, and that's done. So if you want to combine these two, notes and the widgets, notes and reminders, tap and hold, just combine, and just say done. And now you can flick through the two. So there are a few more widgets that have been added, which is very cool. I would like to see some more widgets, and for some reason this is not deleting. Oh, that's why. Removes that. I couldn't see it because of the camera. Anyway, so now you got this. So we got a world clock. So we got Cupertino, Tokyo, Sydney, and Paris. Or you can have these 4 different clocks, or you can just have one big clock. So I want to add this widget because I've not used it before. So just say add widget. And if you want, tap and hold. Tap and hold. It's not working. Tap and hold. There you go. Then say add a widget, and you can change the times. They've not got that many right now. Actually, no, they do. So let's just say, for example, we want to change Sydney to Adelaide because that's my city, and we want to change Paris to, I don't know, Germany. Oh, no, Hungary. Okay, it's not coming up. Hungary is not coming up. But let's say, for example, we just want to swap it to Amsterdam, and we just tap out. Now I've changed from Adelaide to Sydney to Adelaide, and New York to Amsterdam. So that's cool. As for calling, I can't use this example purpose because I got no one to call me. But let's say your grandma calls you, it will pop up here and just say grandma and be like her number, and you can just say yes or no here instead of it taking up the whole screen. So I believe I either disabled or enabled Siri. Yes, I've disabled Siri here, but Siri will pop up here, and she'll be like, oh, what do you want? Then it'll just come up in little text, and that's cool. So my favorite widgets are definitely the battery one, because as you can see, my phone is 85%, my Apple Watch is 100%, and if I have AirPods, it tells me what the AirPods are and the cases. And I like the calendar feature as well. So if we also swipe to the left, you have all these other additional ones. I accidentally tapped that, and yeah, you can just edit it, change it how you want, mix and match. So that's very cool. And over here you can just like categorize, see productivity, and I have all these different apps. Then if we go back and let's say socials, it comes up with all my different apps here, and my main used apps are here. So let's say, for example, I just want to go into here. If it's my Instagram page, if you want to follow that, that'd be very cool. And yeah, so you got that. So if you want to add a homepage, you tap and hold. Like I said, swipe, then that is good. Also, what you can do is you can tap on the little icons when you got all of these, right? So let's say, for example, you didn't want to have a particular app page, so you uncheck it, and that will now be hidden. So once you've done that, just go to done, and as you can see, actually we'll stop editing, there you go. As you can see, it's no longer there. So what you want to do now is, if you want to come back, tap and hold, click this, then if you want to unhide it, just check it and say done. Now that's pretty much going to be the whole video. Oh, I also forgot to mention, if you go into Google Chrome now, and let's say, for example, you want to look up the news and go into coronavirus Australia, and you go into this news article, then you say watch and make this full screen, and just swipe back, and now it's in its own little bubble. So if you want to hide this away, you can just drag it to the side, and you can move it up or down, and same with the left side. So no, that's a very cool feature that I like, and I'm sure a lot of people will be using it. Unfortunately, you can't put it at the very top nor the very bottom, so it can only be on the side. So you can play, pause it, go back if you want, and no, that's a very cool feature. I just hope that they do put this in video calls, because I know FaceTime does it, but I want other applications to do it, like WhatsApp and all that. So even though this wasn't a super in-depth video, this is the main features people start using on the new software that iOS is running, iOS 14. There are a huge ton of minor features that have also been added, such as like color correction, dimensions and all of that stuff. Other people have that type of video, and personally, like, I didn't find it interesting, not because it's a boring video, it's because I knew I'd never use it. So I thought I might as well make this video so I can show off the features that other people will mainly use, and not the little nitpicky ones I don't really care about. But I may or may not do that in the future. Right now I can't tell. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Brandon from BlazeTech. See you guys in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, check out my socials at Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. And other than that, see you guys next Friday.